Hey, this is Pierre-Yves de la Côte working at Planet Technologies. Viva Insights, um, Viva Insights for managers, and not only for managers. So there's a tab called My Team, and where you can create a virtual team actually. So that's where it happens. So I'm going to go to settings. You can uh, s- add people in your virtual team. So for example, if you have a project, you can create a project team here. So you just have to type the name of the person. Um, Add somebody to the team. And if you have a team, then probably it means that you have some interaction with the team. So let's go back to the My Team tab. So you have several things that are going to happen then. So here you're going to say you didn't have any one-one with this person. Uh, so you can schedule a one-one. You will look in your calendar to see if you have some time to schedule a one-one. So you can schedule the one-one with the person in one click. It's pretty easy. If you want more insights, then it will show you, all the meetings with the people you don't have, you didn't schedule. So one meeting you can send an invite just like that too. So it shows you, a lot of insights about if you're disconnected with people, if you don't see them often. It will show you also your habits, so you can see pretty quickly, and that was in my analytics too. But it will show you what are the meetings you're having. You can see, those meetings. Uh, if your meetings were overlapping, if you were multitasking, etc. You have several criteria, and you can see exactly the meetings. Here they all the same because it's a demo tenant, and I just had all the meetings the same with the same label. But you can see that. You can see, the one time you have with people. You can organize your quiet hours. Since in the demo tenants everything is quiet, but you can see where you're very busy. So pretty simply, you can have access to that here in your habits. You will see also some findings directly here. So, for example, I don't multitask during Teams meetings, which is a good thing. And finally, I think in the future you'll also be able to see if you missed a document. So if a document was shared with you in some place and you didn't read it, it will show you this document or those documents. And also you can plan no meeting days, so you can follow the wizard and say, okay, uh, to be more focused on the work, we decide collectively as a team that maybe starting date is, let's say, this date, weekly, and we'll say that we'll put the out of office, or if you don't want to do that, you just put busy. It will invite all the people in your teams. You can eventually, I think you can add other people. Let me try. Yeah, you can add other people that are not in your virtual team. You can, you know, customize your communication regarding this plan where you want to block one day where without any meetings, so people can be focused on the job. And then it will show you a summary, and you send the invitation, and everybody will receive at the date. And I think it's recurring date, so we can see that it's done. So let's jump into Outlook now. And to my calendar. So there is now a no meeting day. that is probably recurring, as you can see. So it has been set automatically for me and for other people because I think I didn't check that, but I think if I open this, let's see. That's funny because it creates a meeting with a Teams meeting, so it might be confusing because this is automatically set. But you can see everybody in the team received the invite to block the day to no meeting day. So we block the day by setting a meeting in your calendar. That's pretty funny, but that's where you need some education to explain how it works to the people who are using Viva Insight. So there are gonna be other features that are gonna come along the way, and the one I really expect is the one that shows you the documents that you you have received from your teams and you didn't read. That's pretty useful because when you have a lot of mail, a lot of chat, a lot of conversation in Teams, and with documents that are referenced and linked and attached, you might forget some of them. It's very, very usual. The thing that uh, probably is missing is it will be good to have several teams because, for example, I'm having several projects. I would like to have several teams, and apparently it's just one team. So either it's the teams you're managing, but when you're working in projects, it will be nice if Microsoft will add several teams so you can have this dashboard for several teams. Hope this was helpful.